If you're starting a startup or online business, there's a very high chance you've heard people mention Clerky, especially in the startup and Silicon Valley world where founders constantly talk about using it for incorporation and legal paperwork. But honestly, is Clerky actually worth using in 2026? Or is it just another expensive startup tool with good marketing? Because a lot of founders online seem divided about it right now, so in this video, we're talking about the real truth behind Clerky, what it actually does, the pros, the cons, real user experiences, and whether it's actually worth using before launching your business. First, what is Clerky? Clerky is an online legal platform designed mainly for startups, especially Delaware C corporations. The platform helps founders handle incorporation, legal paperwork, equity documents, fundraising paperwork, and startup compliance processes. And honestly, this is one reason it became so popular in the tech startup world, because startup lawyers can become very expensive very quickly, especially for early-stage founders. Now let's talk about what people actually like about Clerky, because there are definitely some real advantages. First, the platform is heavily focused on startups. Specifically, not general small businesses, not random LLCs, but venture-backed style startups. And honestly, many founders say this makes the process feel much cleaner and more professional compared to generic incorporation services, especially for companies planning to raise investment later. Now another huge advantage, automation. Clerky simplifies a lot of complicated legal paperwork into step-by-step workflows. So instead of manually preparing legal documents, the platform guides founders through the process automatically. And honestly, many startup founders say this saves huge amounts of time and legal fees. Now, another thing people mention constantly, investor familiarity. A lot of startup investors and attorneys already know Clerky, and honestly, that reputation helps the platform a lot in the startup ecosystem. Some founders even say investors prefer companies using standardized startup paperwork systems like Clerky. Now, let's talk about the negatives, because honestly, this is where many users become frustrated. First, Clerky is not cheap compared to normal incorporation services, especially for bootstrapped founders with limited budgets. And honestly, many users online feel the pricing becomes expensive once additional services and upgrades are included. Now another important thing, Clerky mainly focuses on Delaware C-Corp. So if somebody wants a simple LLC, a local small business structure, or international company setups, the platform may honestly feel too specialized. Now, another complaint. People mention online limited customization. Some founders say the templates work well for standard startup situations, but become restrictive for more unusual legal needs, especially during advanced fundraising or custom agreements. Now let's talk about customer support, because honestly, this is one of the more mixed areas. Some users say support is helpful and responsive, while others complain about slow replies during time-sensitive situations, especially when dealing with complicated filing problems or technical issues. Now, another important thing, many experienced founders still recommend speaking with a real startup lawyer at some point, even if you use Clerky. And honestly, that's smart advice, because automated. Legal platforms are useful, but they still cannot fully replace personalized legal advice for complicated situations. Now let's talk about real user experience, because honestly, most founders who understand what Clerky is designed for seem reasonably happy with it, especially tech startups, venture-backed founders, and SaaS companies. But beginners sometimes expect a full, done-for-you legal service, when in reality, Clerky is more of a guided startup paperwork platform. Now, let's be honest. For a second, Clerky is probably one of the more respected startup legal platforms online right now, especially in the tech startup ecosystem. But honestly, it's not magic, and it's probably not necessary for every small business owner either. If you are building a scalable startup and may eventually raise funding, Clerky can honestly make the legal side feel much more organized. But if you simply want a basic local business setup, it may honestly feel overpriced and overly specialized. So to wrap this up, Clerky can absolutely be a strong option for startup founders, especially people creating tech startups, SaaS businesses, or venture-focused companies. Because the platform simplifies a lot of complicated startup legal paperwork. But honestly, you should still understand the pricing, the limitations, and the fact that it's designed mainly for Delaware startup structures. And while many founders have great experiences with it, others still prefer working directly with lawyers. For more flexibility and personalized legal guidance,